Wake up early, greet the sun. Summer days are full of fun. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Eat your breakfast nice and light. Start the morning feeling bright. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Read a book or tell a tale. Stories help us set our sail. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Paint a rainbow, draw a tree. Use your colors wild and free. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Clean your room and make your bed. Mom and dad feel proud instead. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Water plants and feed the birds. Kindness speaks without the words. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Helping kitchen, fold some clothes. Little hands make big heroes. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Picnic time with fruits and shade. Under trees a tent is made. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Wear your hat and sunscreen too. The sun is strong but skies are blue. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Ride your cycle not too fast. Enjoy the breeze, make summer last. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Solve a puzzle, build a fort. Indoor games are a cool sport. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Pray together, hand in hand. Thank Allah for this lovely land. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Read Qur'an with voice so sweet. Every word a precious treat. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Share your toys and share a smile. Helping others is always in style. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Make a plan with goals each day. Fun and learning in every way. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. Take some pictures, make a book. At memories we'll always look. Summer days, Alhamdulillah. As the